Now next we will be studying about slope. When a person is walking on a plain ground, it is very easy to walk on a plain ground, but while walking on a slope, it becomes a little bit difficult to walk on a slope. Slope is a very important concept in coordinate geometry. Now suppose we will take a line L. Now it's in an inclined position, that is, there is a slope in this particular line. Now take any 2 points on these particular line. You will get the value of y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, always constant. Supposing we will take C and E. C is what? 2, 1. E is what? 6, 7. Now y2 minus y1, that is 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 upon x2 minus x1, that is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, that's equal to 6 upon 4. It goes in 2's table, that is 3 upon 2. Now same way if you take AD, A and D. A is what? Minus 2, minus 5, and D is what? 4, 4. Now y2 minus y1, 4 minus into minus 5, 4 minus into minus 5 upon 4 minus into minus 2. 4 minus into minus 2, that's equal to 4 plus 5, that's equal to 4 plus 2, that's equal to 9 upon 6. It goes in 3's table. 3 3's are 3 upon, and 3 2's are 6, so 3 upon 2. Now we will take B and C. B is what? 0 minus 2, and C is what? 2, 1. Now y2 minus y1, 1 minus into minus 2, 1 minus into minus 2 upon 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, that's equal to 1 plus 2 upon 2, that's equal to 3 upon 2. Now next we will take CA, C and A. C is what? 2, 1, and A is what? Minus 2, minus 5. Now minus 5 minus 1, minus 5 minus 1 upon minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 minus 2, that's equal to minus 6 upon minus 4, that's equal to 3 upon 2. So if you see, if you take any 2 points on this particular line, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus 1 is always same, 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2, and 3 upon 2. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to what? Slope is known as what? Slope, and slope is denoted by the letter small m. Now a slope of a line can be found out by another method also. Supposing this is a line AB, making an angle theta with the x-axis. So this angle and this angle will be equal. Why? Because AC is parallel to TS and line L. Let us take this as line L. Line L is a transversal, and these two angles are corresponding angles. So this is theta, then this will also be theta. Now if I draw a line which is parallel to x-axis and a line which is parallel to y-axis, you will get a right angle triangle. Now tan theta is equal to what? Opposite side upon adjacent side. Now what is opposite side? Opposite side is BC and adjacent side is what? AC. Now what is BC? BC is parallel to y-axis. So distance BC is what? y2 minus y1 minus y1, and AC is what? AC is parallel to x-axis, so that is x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1. So that is equal to slope. So tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is what? Slope, which is denoted by the small letter m. So slope can also be found out by the formula tan theta. If you know the value of theta, or the angle which is made by the x-axis, if you know the value of theta, you can also find out by this formula, that is slope is equal to tan theta. So there are two methods to find out slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1. If you know the coordinates, then y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and if you know the angle theta, then slope is also equal to tan theta. Now practice at 5.3. We have to find out the angles made by the line with the positive direction of the x-axis are given. Find the slope of this line. So 45 degrees given. So theta is equal to what? 45 degree. And tan slope is equal to what? We have to find out the slope. Slope we know is equal to what? Tan theta. So that is equal to tan 45 degree. And what is the value of tan 45 degree? 1. So slope is equal to what? Slope is equal to 1. Now second one, it is given 60 degree. 60 degree. Theta is equal to what? 60 degree. Slope is equal to what? Tan theta. So that is equal to tan 60 degree. And what is the value of tan 60 degree? Root 3. So slope is equal to what? Root 3. Now the third one they have given 90 degree. 90 degree. Theta is equal to what? 90 degree. Slope is equal to what? Tan theta. Tan theta, that is slope is equal to tan 90 degree. And tan 90 degree is what? Not defined. So we can't determine the slope of this line. So slope cannot be determined. Why? Because we don't know the value of tan 90 degree. It cannot be defined. Now second sum of practice set 5.3. Find the slopes of the given line passing through the given point. So we have to find out the slope of this line. The first one is A is given 2, 3, B is equal to 4 and 7. So x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 7. So slope of line AB is what? AB is equal to what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is equal to y2 is what? 7 minus 3 upon x2 minus x1 is what? 4 minus 2, that is 4 upon 2. When you cancel this you get 2. So slope of line AB is what? AB is 2. Now second sum they have given P minus 3 1, P minus 3 1 and Q is 5 minus 2. So x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 5 and y2 is equal to minus 2. So slope of line PQ is what? Slope of line PQ is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is equal to minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 upon 5 minus into minus 3, 5 minus into minus 3, that's equal to minus 3 upon 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. So the slope of line PQ is what? Slope of line PQ is minus 3 upon 8. Now the third sum they have given C 5 minus 2 and D they have given 7 3. So slope of line CD is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that's equal to 3 minus into minus 2, 3 minus into minus 2 upon 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, that's equal to how much? 3 plus 2, upon 7 minus 5 is how much? 2. That's equal to 5 upon 2. So slope of line, you have to write down what is x2, x1, y1 and x2, y2, and then you're supposed to start. So slope of line CD is what? 5 upon 2. Now the fourth sum they have given L minus 2 minus 3, L minus 2 minus 3, and M minus 6 minus 8, M minus 6 minus 8. So slope of line LM is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is equal to minus 8 minus into minus 3 minus 8 into minus 3 upon minus 6 minus into minus 2. So that's equal to how much? Minus 8 plus 3 and minus 6 plus 2. So that is equal to how much? Minus 8 plus 3 is how much? 5 minus 5, and minus 6 plus 2 is how much? Minus 4. So that's equal to 5 upon 4. So slope of line LM is what? Is 5 upon 4. Now fifth sum, E and F is given, coordinates of E and F. So x1 is minus 4, y1 is minus 2, x2 is 6 and y2 is 3. Slope of a line is what? y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus into minus 2 upon 6 minus into minus 4. 6 minus into minus 4. So that's equal to 3 plus 2 upon 6 plus 4, that's equal to 5 upon 10. So that is equal to what? Half. So slope of line EF is half. Now here y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus into minus 3, 4 minus into minus 3 upon 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, that's equal to how much? 4 plus 3 upon 0, that's equal to 7 upon 0. So you cannot divide by 0, any number you cannot divide by 0. So the answer is what? Not defined. So slope of line TS cannot be determined. Now third sum, determine whether the following points are collinear. So in order to find out whether the following points are collinear, we have to find out the slope of AB and slope of BC. If both are equal, then they are collinear. If they are not equal, then they are not collinear. Now one more thing is that supposing if two lines are there, L and M, and if slope of line L is equal to slope of line M, then line L is parallel to line M. तो अगर दोनों का slope equal रहेगा तो दोनों line parallel रहना चाहिए. So if slopes are equal, then the lines are parallel, or if lines are parallel, then the slope has to be equal. Now we will do the first sum of the sum number 3. Now we will find out slope of line AB. Slope of line AB. That is what? y2 minus y1, that is 1 minus into minus 1, 1 minus into minus 1 upon 0 minus into minus 1, that's equal to 1 plus 1 upon 1, that's equal to 2 upon 1. Now next one we will find out slope of BC. Slope of line BC, that's equal to 3 minus 1 upon 1 minus 0, that's equal to 2 upon 1. So this is also equal to 2, this is also equal to 2. Since slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC, and point B lies on both the lines. So point B is there in both the lines, therefore point A, B, C are collinear points. Now one more thing you can study from here. What is that? Both the slopes are equal, therefore line AB is parallel to line BC. So if the slopes are equal, the lines have to be parallel to each other. Now the next sum, D slope of line DE, that's equal to what? 0 minus into minus 3 upon 1 minus into minus 2. Next, that is equal to 0 plus 3 upon 1 plus 2, that's equal to 3 upon 3, that's equal to 1. So slope of line DE is 1. Now slope of line EF, that's equal to 1 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, that's equal to 1 upon 1, that's equal to 1. So slope of line DE is equal to slope of line EF. Therefore points DEF are collinear points. And point E lies on both lines. Therefore this you have to write before. So point E lies on both the lines. So points D, E, F are collinear points since both the slopes are equal. So line DE is parallel to line EF. Now sum number 3. Slope of line LM is what? 3 minus 5 upon 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2. So that is equal to how much? 3 minus 5 is minus 2 upon 1, that's equal to minus 2. Now slope of line MN is equal to what? 1 minus 3 upon 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, that's equal to 1 minus 3 is how much? Minus 2. 5 minus 3 is how much? 2, that's equal to minus 1. Here slope of line LM is not equal to slope of line MN, therefore points L, M and N are not collinear. Now slope of line PQ. Slope of line PQ is minus 3 minus into minus 5, minus 3 minus into minus 5 upon 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, that's equal to minus 3 plus 5 upon 1 minus 2 is how much? Minus 1, that is equal to how much? 2. Now slope of line QR, that is 3 minus into minus 3, 3 minus into minus 3 upon minus 2 into minus 1, not into minus 2 minus 1. So that's equal to 3 plus 3 upon minus 3, that's equal to 6 upon minus 3, that's equal to minus 2. This is also minus 2. It is 2 upon minus 1. So that's equal to minus 2. So slope of line PQ is equal to slope of line QR, and point Q lies on both lines Therefore points P, Q, R are collinear. And line PQ is parallel to line QR. अब ये पैरेलल वाला पूछा नहीं है क्वेश्चन में, लेकिन मैंने दोनों भी साथ में समझा दिया. अगर स्लोप इक्वल है देन द लाइन्स हैव टू बी पैरेलल. दे हैव नॉट आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन टू फाइंड आउट वेदर द लाइन्स आर पैरेलल और नॉट. आई जस्ट शोड यू दैट स्लोप्स आर इक्वल देन द लाइन हैज टू बी पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. नाउ फिफ्थ सम, स्लोप ऑफ लाइन RS is what? 2 minus 2 minus into minus 4 upon minus 2 minus 1. So that's equal to 2 plus 4 upon minus 3. So that is equal to how much? 6 upon minus 3. That's equal to 3 ones are 3 twos are, so minus 2. Now slope of line ST, 4 minus 2 upon minus 3 minus into minus 2, so that is equal to 4 minus 2 is how much? 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 3 plus 2, that's equal to 2 upon minus 1, so that's equal to minus 2. So slope of line RS is equal to slope of line ST. Point S lies on both lines. Therefore points RST are collinear and they are also parallel. Line RS is parallel to line ST. If they ask in the question whether they are parallel, then only you are supposed to show that. If they ask only collinear, then do only up till here, but I have shown both of them. Now over here AK, slope of line AK is what? 5 upon 2 minus into minus 4 upon minus 2 minus into minus 4. So that is equal to, equalize the denominator, 5 upon 2, 2 4s are 8, so minus 8 upon 2 and 2 minus 2 plus 4. So that is equal to how much? 5 minus 8 is how much? Minus 3 upon 2 upon minus 2 plus 4 is how much? 2. So minus 3 upon 2, when this 2 goes up, this is 2 upon 1, so when it goes up it becomes 1 upon 2. So that's equal to minus 3 upon 4. Now next one, KN, slope of line KN is what? Minus 2 minus 5 upon 2, minus 2 minus 5 upon 2 upon 4 minus into minus 2, 4 minus into minus 2. Now equalize the denominator. 2 into minus 2 is what? Minus 4 minus 5 upon 2 upon 4 minus into minus 2 will become plus 2. So that is equal to minus 9 upon 2 upon 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. Now when this 6 goes up, 6 upon 1 will become 1 upon 6. So minus 9 upon 2 into 1 upon 6. 3 twos are, 3 threes are, that's equal to minus 3 upon 4. So both the slopes are equal. So slope of line AK is equal to slope of line KN. Point K lies on both lines. Therefore points A, K, N are collinear and the lines are also parallel. That is, line AK is parallel to line KN.